In this last example, we're going to talk about how to import your leads and opportunities into your Mothernode CRM account. Now, as you probably imagined at this point, the import process is pretty much the same as it is explained in the customers and in the contacts, but there is one difference, and that difference is as follows. When using Card View, you actually have your selling stages listed from left to right. These selling stages have already been set up in your Mothernode account. So let's go to see these selling stages over here underneath Configure Value Lists. Then I go to Leads and Opportunities, and I can see my selling stages. If you plan on using these selling stages or making modifications to these selling stages in any way, you can make these updates here by updating or adding, then you want to make sure that you include these selling stages in your import file within each record, as we see here. Now, one thing that's also important to note is your selling stages are numbered manually. So basically, when I take this stage here, I'm applying a 1 before it, and that lets Mothernode know which stage comes first, all the way through to which stages come last. Okay? Now, if you do not want to use any of these selling stages, or you don't want to add your own here just yet, and you already are coming from another CRM that had selling stages included with it, perfectly fine. Just make sure that those selling stages are also numbered accordingly so Mothernode knows which one is first and which one is last. That being the case, then you'll want to remove all of these selling stages. So click this, click remove, and go through each one of these and remove them so you have no more selling stages within your Mothernode account. But your selling stages will be included in your import file, okay? So we're going to go through this exercise using our own selling stages and showing you that this one over here is going to be part of the make contact, okay, which is going to be this one right here. So let's get started. All right, so let's import our leads and opportunities. We click on import, and Mothernode now knows that we want to import leads and opportunities because that's where we came from. We saw that earlier with customers and contacts as well. Now I have the note about my selling stages here, so I want to make sure that I respect that and I'm prepared to do whatever it is that I want to do when I'm going to be importing this information based on what we're talking about. And then over here, I can download a lead and opportunity import template. Again, we always recommend this, but you don't have to use those. You can use your own XLS file or your own CSV file. In this case, I've downloaded the template, and that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to click on Choose the File, select the file that I want to import, and once again, I have the ability to see all of the fields that are made available to me. The most important one that I want to take a look at right now is going to be make contact underneath the selling stage, so that's going to be filed accordingly. And then over here, I'm going to choose my template options for mapping fields. Now, I have two, unlike the other ones. And in this case here for leads and opportunities, I have a basic one. And the basic one, when I choose this, it's pretty much what you kind of see on a business card and with a few extras for the import, but it's pretty much the basic information. And once again, you don't have to have all the fields in the columns populated. Do what you can, but at the same time, the more information you have, the healthier the record, the more information you have to work off of. If you want to import all fields, just go to the Opportunity Import the Advanced over here, and basically that aligns and maps up all of the fields within the template to the fields within your Mothernode account. So I'm ready to go, and click Review and Import. Again, I have the options here to view my map fields. I can see that here. Just double check everything. Let's see that it looks good. It does. And now I want to go ahead and click Import. So when I import this, I can now go to View My Records. And now, because we added the selling stage accordingly, this record has been imported exactly where we want it to be in the Make Contact. So this now concludes the importing tutorials. If you have any more questions, you can visit support.mothernode.com and always reach out to us. One of us here will be happy to take your questions and answer them.
Need more help? Visit our YouTube channel for more videos and be sure to subscribe or check out our online knowledge base at support.mothernode.com or contact us today to ask about our professional implementation services.